Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Teaunca, and if you like all things lifestyle, beauty, and doing things yourself, you might as well consider subscribing. Today we are going to be making our own press-on set. I got these nails from Amazon, and this will be my first time trying them out. So for the most part, they come with 300 full coverage tips, and it definitely comes with the instructions on how to do so. I already know my sizes, so I'm gonna just see if these sizes match mine. Well, what I already know according to Teaunca or other full coverage tips that I use from Amazon. So I'm just sizing my nails, and I wanted to show y'all because it's been a while since I've shown y'all how to size your nails. So you want to measure from side wall to side wall. And the bottom of my thumb is flat instead of circular. So sometimes I would flatten the bottom out with just a nail file. Other times I won't. But here I'm just showing y'all this is a size 1. The first one was a size 0. They do have the numbers on the back of the nail. And you can clearly see here that this doesn't fit my fingernail. So we're going to go with the size 0, and I'm going to just go ahead and size all of my nails and just compare sizes. So I'm a 0, 5, 4, 6, and it ranges between like 9 and 10 or 10 and 11 for the pinky. One of my pinkies are bigger than the other one, but sometimes I use the same size, others I don't. So these are my sizes, or these are the ones that fit. And I'm just going to be doing one hand. As always, these are going to be so long, but you will need a nail stand, some putty, and this nail file. I got all 3 of these items from Shein, but you can definitely find them on Amazon. All of the other products that I will be using in this video are definitely on Amazon, so I'll link them down below. But I'm just filing off the shiny portion of the nail. The other nails that I use, they already come like with no shine on it, and it's from the same brand, BT Art Box, but these ones don't. So that's how it looks shine free, and I'm just doing a comparison here so you can clearly see that the thumb is way duller than I think that's the pinky. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and continue on just buffing them out, and I'm using the softer side of the buffer. So there they are, all buffed out. Like I said, I'm only doing one hand because these are super long, and I like the long look. Don't get me wrong, I love it, especially when I see it on other people. But as y'all know, I have children and I got things to do, and I don't know how to maneuver with them as well as I do with the shorter nails. But just on one hand, eventually I will make the other hand probably to give them away. But I'm just putting the nails on the nail stand, and we're going to go in with a base coat. Now, in one of my previous videos, right, I told y'all that the other nails that I used, the shorter version from BT Art Box that already come like buff and it's like a pinkish nude color already on there, they are thick. Not super thick, but thick enough where you don't need multiple coats to make it feel like acrylic. I put 2 layers of base coat on these nails because they're not flimsy at all. Let me start there. These nails are not flimsy. They are thinner than the other nails that I'm used to. So I feel like the 2 coats of base coat will make it a bit thicker. And now that I'm editing this video and doing the voiceover and the nails are already on my hand, it definitely did make a difference. So I'm not going to show y'all me putting both coats on, but just know that I did put 2 layers of base coat on, and I cured in between each layer for 30 seconds. And this is the Beetles base coat. I'm clearly running out, but I have some PR packages coming, and they're going to come with some base coat and some top coat, so I really don't want to buy anymore at this time. But next, we're going to go in with our base color, which is this Mamita Nude Pink. I really love this. This is my second time purchasing this color or this brand, and it is on Amazon. As mentioned, it will be linked down below. But I'm going in. I'm only going to show y'all 2 layers on camera, but I did do 3 layers or 3 coats, and as mentioned, cured in between each layer for 30 seconds. Another thing I do like about these nails is that they don't They like really don't shrink at all. I know there are some full coverage tips that I did purchase from Amazon before, and as soon as you size them up to your nails beforehand, you paint them, file them, buff them, cure them. By the time you go to apply them, they much smaller. So in the beginning, you would have had to choose a bigger size for your natural nails, but these, I don't have that issue, and I don't have that issue with the other BTR box full coverage tips either. So I think I really like this brand for my full coverage tips. Y'all, I want to start doing acrylic, and I've been saying this for the longest, but if I do start like acrylic press-ons, I will use these full coverage tips. And I know I said I wanted to use acrylic or learn how to do acrylics in like my early videos, my early nail videos. But I'm so serious this time, y'all. I'm so serious to the point where I done ordered a nail drill. I already had like a Young Nails trial kit. It comes with like the primer, the monomer, dehydrator, and like I think 1 or 2 acrylics. But I had to get me a brush and a nail drill. And it actually just got delivered today. So I'm so excited. But anyway, we're going in with our second coat. We did cure for 30 seconds after the first coat of this Mamita base polish color. Let me see. I really don't know what the name of the color is. It doesn't say it on the bottle. Like I'm looking at it right now. And I threw the box away. But again, I will link everything down below in the description box. I really don't know like how this video was going to do, like the views or anything. And honestly, I'm not gonna say I don't care. I do care. Of course, I want people to view my videos, but I love doing things myself. And that's why I say it in my intro. This is a channel of doing things yourself in regards to my hair, my nails, my lashes, everything. But I really like doing these nail videos. So if y'all have any other suggestions, if y'all like these type of videos, definitely let me know in the comments so I can know that, I could put these out on a consistent basis. But next we are going to go in with a matte top coat. This is from Beetles as well. Now the matte top coat is just so I feel like the rhinestones and the designs will pop a little bit more. Me putting a glitter or a stone, something shiny on shiny, of course it's going to be extra shine, but the matte is like something dull brings out the shine more than something shiny to me. I knew I wanted all bling like on every nail. I knew it because like the length of the nail, it just screams all bling. So I don't have because I'm going to use blue rhinestones, and I don't have blue glitter polish, and I don't have like blue glitter either. So I decided to go in with this Model 1's gel liner. Wow, y'all. I don't know what's going on. My bad. But this Model 1's glitter liner. And y'all going to see me like switch out between the brushes. I'm using this regular nail art brush that I got from Amazon. Or Sheen. I think it's from Amazon, honestly. But it's to me, and I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. Like on camera, it looked like, okay, the glitter is popping. But in person, it didn't really give what I wanted it to give. You feel me? So I feel like the brush don't have enough glitter on it. So you'll see me go to the actual brush that comes with the polish and use that. And I'll just go back and forth between both of the brushes. So I'm just outlining the perimeter of the nail. Y'all know that little outline look. This is one of my favorite designs. It's so simple. I don't care how advanced a nail tech is or nail artist. I don't consider myself a nail tech, at least not yet. But anyway, I don't care how advanced they are or what they can do. I probably will get this design like a lot. They probably could paint SpongeBob or Stitch. Y'all know I love Stitch on my nails, and I really wouldn't care because this is so simple, so cute, stands out, not too much, not too little, especially if you have like a glitter and a stone. So here I go, just using the brush that it comes with, the polish comes with, and just going on each nail and doing the outline. I am having a giveaway, y'all, where you can win a custom press-on set from me or two. I do list all of the details in my pink Temu giveaway haul, or my pink Temu haul plus giveaway. So if you want to enter and, for your chance to win a custom press-on set from me, free of charge, definitely go look at that video. Watch the video to the end, because I do mention the details in the end of the video. Fast forward, whatever. Just make sure you like the video. That's all I got to say. Or just follow the rules correctly so y'all can win. But it is my 1K giveaway. Just thanking all of my sweeties for subscribing, being here with me since the beginning. I say it's been not almost a year. I'll say, I think May was 6 months, so June, 7-month journey. So guess what, y'all? We reached 2K sweeties. Like, we have 2,000 family members on this app. And I just appreciate each and every one of y'all. But back to the nails. I did do 2 layers of the gel liner, the glitter gel liner. And I'm using these stones. Listen, if y'all need stones, don't always run to Amazon. These cannot be found on Amazon. I'm lying. I'm sure they could be found on Amazon, but these are not from Amazon, is what I meant to say. I got these from my hair store, my local hair store, the beauty supply store. And they were $1.99 the first time I went. When I went back like 2-3 weeks later to get more colors, they was $4.99 a pack, which is expensive. But $1.99, I couldn't beat that. So I racked up at that point. I got blue and I got pink, and I think I got clear. But check that. Check your local beauty supply store. Check Shein, check Temu, everywhere else before you go to Amazon. All right, for your gems. But I'm using Macart rhinestone glue. I like the glue. However, I honestly feel like Gorilla Glue works 10 times better. Like, I did the nails, and maybe I didn't cure them correctly or whatever, but it's been, I'll say, about an hour or two, and only one of my gems came off. It is one of the bigger ones on my index finger. But for the most part, the glue works. It really does work. And they do have dupes on Temu. Y'all know Temu is good for dupes. But Macart rhinestone glue is a good glue for you to start with if you don't want to buy Gorilla Glue. But I think I'm going to do a comparison. Why would I say that like that? A comparison video, or just like for my own testing knowledge, or just to see like which one holds the stones up more. But I decided to just place stones wherever I felt as though I wanted them to go in. And the shapes, it wasn't no specific order or no specific preference. I just picked up some stones and ranging it from like small to big. So I did a first little line, I cured it, and then I'm just going to go in each little divot with a small little circle rhinestone and then cure that again. I just feel like designs like this, like the bling, it only looks right on a long nail. Like a short nail, maybe I could do like a mid-length nail. Maybe like the length that I would do my coffin nails, or the length that my Temu press-on nails would come in. Maybe I'll do something that length with this same bling design, because I really love this. I'm just irked that it's on such a long nail. But nonetheless, when I showed my mom and I showed my sister, they like, oh, they are so cute. Like the color coordination, the shine and everything. But they called them Shanae nails. I'm crying. They called them Shanae nails. And I agree, but not on the strength that they ghetto, but just on the strength that they just long. And it can be seen as ratchet to some. Like I told y'all before, I like the long look, especially on other people. I like it on me too. But I can't maneuver with them. If I could, I would. Because I like them, especially with the little midi rings. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. But anyway, I really just be rambling. I went ahead and did the other nails, and now I'm just doing the pinky with y'all. Sped it up a little bit because the technique is really just simple. You just pick a stone up, place it where you want it. Now, for stone placement, you can look on Google, you can look on Pinterest, just to get some ideas or where to place the stones. But that's it, y'all. Super, super cute. We are going to apply them, and I'm using this Kiss Pink gel glue. It came with like a pack of nails that I had. And y'all, I know people swear by KDS. I swear by KDS too, but this works just as well. I lie to y'all not. This works just as well, especially when you prep your nails the proper way. So I do have a video coming up on that, on how to prep your nails. So definitely stay tuned for that. But we just applying these nails. Some people say put it on and hold it for 30 seconds. I say put it on, hold it for 10-15 seconds, because look, 10-15 seconds, not even a whole 10-15 seconds, but a little bit, not the full amount of time, because if it's crooked, you want to be able to just pull it off just like I did right there. If you got that stuck on there, it's going to be hard, and then you just want to have a crooked nail. But pretty much putting them on, and I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil, and we done. We done. Like, this took, I would say, probably like 45 minutes. Not even that, because I was watching YouTube, but 45 minutes tops. And it cost, I don't even know how much it cost, but I guarantee you it will cost less than what I would have paid if I went to the nail salon. Because the nail salon that I go to, they use like the Swarovski, I don't know how to say it. They use those diamonds, and they a little pricey, a little pricey. But yeah, we're gonna do it ourselves, DIY. Yeah, but I got this cuticle oil from Temu. I love it so much, and y'all, they are so cute. See, I told y'all with the rings, it looked like 10 times better, like chef's kiss. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and enter the giveaway for your own custom set.